Imagine if you had a chance to explore 4 different domains before you picked what to do in your life. Yes, Year 2 has 4 internships varying across industries, roles, locations, and even scale of companies. Such a variety of exposure is something which might typically take a decade if done after graduation. Each internship is an opportunity to experience how companies are run, what customers want, how vendors are managed, experience new challenges, build a powerful network, and ultimately see what problems and market gaps exist and how they can be solved. These are serious and meaningful internships we are talking about, not ones which are typically done for the sake of a certificate, doing clerical work, working part-time or online, or having poor payment practices. What we are referring to as an internship is where you go to office daily, work as if you're a core employee doing meaningful work in growing and innovative companies, all of which is also reflected in healthy stipends being offered to students. When we say experience is the best teacher, not all experiences are the same. For instance, you could learn more in a 3-month internship, which gives you ownership and exposure, versus a 3-year experience in a mundane and slow-paced role. Our students are doing everything from launching brands in simple things like food, to building AI automations for tech companies, to investing in aerospace and climate tech. It's the full spectrum for you to be able to carve your own path. If you've already figured your interests, you can use this to double down on them. For example, working as a marketer in different industries or working within the same tech industry in different roles. If you're yet to figure out your interests, you can opt for more variety. Say one internship in consumer brand, other manufacturing, software, healthcare, and in different roles. You will be seeing the difference in the scale of operations and challenges from a company which has 30 employees to 300 and 3,000 employees. And each person you meet during internships could be a future mentor, investor, customer, vendor, or more. This is a network where you have direct, high impact and meaningful relationships with industry professionals you've spent months working together with. Oh, and these are also ideally varying across locations. So we want you to work in North and South, East and West, Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities for maximum exposure. All of this, of course, works based on your preferences. Internship placements work as a matchmaking process where we first capture your interest and constraints and bring in opportunities aligned with them. And by virtue of our program and network, all of our students have got internships well beyond their initial profiles at elite companies. By the end of year 2, you have worked in big leagues with founders, investors, operators armed with skills, confidence, and experience far beyond your age, and having clarity on what you like and what you don't like. Now, you're probably eager to create an impact in your area of interest. And what better way to do that than building a business in year 3, topped with support from IVB. If this sounds interesting to you, you should apply to IVB's UG program.